Hi, it's me, Crystal from Simply Tidy. Today I'm going to talk about the things that you need in your emergency car kit. So today I've just been going through my car kit, and I'm going to replace everything that is outdated or expired, all the food and things like that. But in your car kit, you should have granola bars, maybe some fruit snacks, things like that. So if you get stranded, you've got things that you can eat. You should have enough bottled water for everyone in your car. I would suggest to have at least 2 per person, depending on the kind of space that you have. I have this cute little survival kit. This has a multi-tool, a flashlight, matches, a candle, Band-Aids, a whistle, all kinds of stuff in it that is useful. And I also have garbage bags in my car kit. I have duct tape and pen and paper. There are some things that you'll want to keep in your car just to keep it in good working order. You'll want to make sure that you have jumper cables and a tow rope. You'll also want to make sure that you have everything you need for fixing a spare tire, including the spare tire. It's a good idea to keep a tire pressure gauge in your car, and you can also get one of those foam tire sealants so that if your flat isn't too serious, sometimes you can fix it with that. In order to keep yourself safe, it's a good idea to stock your car with a first aid kit, some blankets, some work gloves, and some rain ponchos. If you live in cold weather, you want to make sure that your car has an ice scraper for the windshield, and you may also want to carry some cat litter so that if the roads are icy, you can sprinkle it on the road and gain traction. A few other things you may want to have in your car just for emergencies are flares or reflective candles. You may also want to have a fire extinguisher in your car, and also a car escape kit so that you can cut your seatbelt strap and break your window and hop right out. As far as storage goes for your emergency kit, you just use every available place. For example, I stick my first aid kit underneath the passenger front seat. I've got the ice scrapers underneath the driver's seat. I've got the blankets stuck in the seat back pockets. Our seats in our truck lift up, so we don't have a trunk, so we have to get creative. So our seats in our trunk lift up, and I've got our ponchos rolled up. Remember I showed you with the travel video that rolled up is better than folded. So they're rolled up and stuck in there. All of our jumper cables and tow ropes are also under the seats, as well as our bag for our emergency kit. And then, so this thing, I actually can't fill it all the way to the top because if I do, I won't be able to close the seat. So anyways, it just squashes down, and then I stick it under the seat too, under the back seat. So, and then also check your truck too, because you may be able to fold down your back seats and stick things behind there. So I know we have a couple of tarps and different things back there. If you have a trunk, then it's easy. Just stick everything in a bucket or a little bag or something like that, and there you go. Well, since I don't drive, maybe I'm not the right one to be teaching about car emergency kits, but hopefully you've learned something. If you could please like, share, and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Have a good day.